Let's do a flow called flowing like water. Flow all of your weight into the right. Lift up the left heel, inhale. Step out to the side, opening the door. Heel floats down. Weight flows over 50-50. Bottom heavy, top light, inhale. Float, exhale, sink. Arms float up, inhale up. Lifting water like a wave, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. The arms float up as if water is lifting them. And then the wave leaves and drops them down. Floating up, sinking down. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up and let the palms face the front, 10 fingers to the sky. Relax the shoulders and the elbows. Do a quick body scan and flow all the tension into the ground. Holding the ball in front. Letting the ball expand, grow bigger, opening the chest. And then the hands close back to the hugging the tree type position. Inhale, open. Opening the chest, breathing in deep. Closing, exhaling. Breathing in through the nose, if you can. Breathing out through the nose or through the mouth with a sigh of relief to release more stress. Rotate the ball. Lower the ball, left hand on top. Compress. Exhale. Inhale, float. Expand. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Rotate the ball. Compress and exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale, rotate. Compress, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand. Exhale, compress. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale and circle the ball to the other side, left hand on top. Exhale, compress. Inhale, expand, and circle to the other side. Breathing out, breathing in, circling, compressing, expanding, circling. Inhale. Exhale. Yin yang hands. And then rotate the ball, carry it up to chest level. 10 fingers to the sky, palms float down. In, out breathing. Breathing in, breathing in, breathing out with a sigh of relief. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Belly breath, chest breath. Exhale through the mouth with a sigh of relief. For relaxation, for calm, for balance, for tranquility, linking our breath to our motion with a relaxed and focused, calm and tranquil mind. Let's start walking in place, shifting the weight to the left. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Just follow me, like I'm your reflection in the mirror. Breathing in, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Step, shift all your weight, and step again. Breathing in again, and then exhaling with a sigh of relief. Now let's turn and walk. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Turning, walking, something gets in your way, turn. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Walk back to your point, to the starting point. And we can walk in place. Rub your hands together briskly to warm up your palms. Dry wash of the face, and it's all right just to hover if you want. Go over the head, down the neck, upper back as far as you can reach, and then under the armpits and up as high as you can reach. Down the outside and back of the legs. Around the toes, you don't have to touch. Up. Shift the weight to the right. Turn out the left. Trace under around the fingertips, over. Turn the toes and the head. Shift the weight. Point to the other side. Breathing in. Breathing out. Turn. Breathing in. Breathing out. Turn. Inhale, trace under. Exhale, trace over. Turn. Shift. Turn. Back to the start. Palms up and out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Gathering in. And then exhaling down. Breathing in. Relaxing down. Sinking. Inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes if you feel safe to relax more. Let everything settle, and then a brief thought of the sea of energy below your belly button and inside just a little bit. Center of your body. Shift your weight to the right. Lift up the heel of your left. Bring it in and tap, and then down. Thank you for joining me.